Welcome back. Another stay streaming, subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Today, I decided we should revisit dynamic programming because I feel like I've never been able to apply the algorithm to any problems realistically. So here we go. We find some resources and then we see what we can learn. Nice. I've seen also 301 a lot. So optimization by breaking it down into simpler subproblems and utilizing the fact that the optimal solution to the overall problem depends upon optimal solution to the subproblems. Again, the Fibonacci. This one's the classic. Basically an array, then you keep populating it. You only keep track of the result. Overlapping subproblems. If it solves the same subproblems multiple times, so Fibonacci 111 2200. Optimal substructure property. The problem has optimal substructure property if its overall optimal solution can be constructed from the optimal solution of its subproblems. DEP offers two methods to solve a problem. Down with memoization. Hold on, get some water first. I'm back. Bugger. Rail. We're learning DP again today. as recursion. Memoization uses an array to store the past result. It's updating the memoiz array. Five, six, seven. I can run it. Notice the time. Or if it is, but not noticeable. Numbers this small. This one is kind of classic. The thing that got me is I don't know why memoiz is publicly accessible. They don't. Moderate the problems first. Be done by filling output. Based on the table, solution, original problem is then computed. Solves all the problem, making a map of the problems. This case. This is different in the way that it builds up the solution eventually. So here in the previous one, do have the your recursive down. You don't have the everything is 0. You don't have the 0 and 1 entry answer just yet. And then instead here, you start building up the 0 and 2 entries. And then you get the answer. Okay. Call. Can you unlock it? Looks to be okay. I think you're just not unlocked. Apps. Oh no, I just opened this website. Yeah, that's fine. I think we need to join. Profits. We are asked to put this item's knapsack that has a capacity C. Was to get the maximum profit from the knapsack. Each only taken once. So this is kind of greedy, right? Oh, our trading window is closed soon. Wait, which one you either selected or not? Then you run out selection choices. This would be greedy. Space complexity is ON. Usually draw the recursive code to see if there are any overlapping subproblems. Recursive code's profits and weights arrays remain constant. Capacity and current index change. Capacity and I. Capacity is 7, index is I. Index is like how many the layer. Ensure overlapping subproblems pattern. As we discussed both, overlapping subproblems can be solved through optimization. What is current index? Let's wait. Each recursive call remains constant. No, it doesn't. So, these three are the same. Genera. array to two-dimensional array to store this. Populate it this way. You have to start from 0, 0, right? Do. Start populating the most basic answer. You have to reduce it to the form though. Nice. What item you're talking about almost? This one. Seven, capacity 7, 0, capacity 6, because you took 1, then 1, capacity 2, these 2 is like which one you're talking about, you know? Everything we took that one is reflected in the capacity. Okay, no, I think I got it. So obviously the top to down, kind of easy. You just populate it with this stuff. And then the repeating things would be able to look it up. Some NC quiz. Welcome back, haven't seen you for a couple days. I'm sick of unable to do DP, so here I am. The DP. Up to bottom is I think we understood that one. Now we need to look at bottom up. Send us something. Yeah, I don't think it's a hard thing, you just not used to it just yet. I think I'm used to top to bottom, but not bottom up. It's not more capacity. Let's understand this one. We want to populate the DP array first and then obtain a solution from it, instead of like calling for the solution and then looking up. Essentially, you want to find the maximum profits for every subarray and for every possible capacity. DPI, which is index. Capacity reflecting whether you take them or not. Identify recurrence. I don't even know what that means now. Include the item index I if its weight is not more than the capacity. In this case, we include this profit plus whatever profit we get from remaining capacity. Man, I've seen too many problems with bottom up. And honestly, I still don't understand this line. And let me drill down on it. Given a capacity and up to this item, it's the max. It could be you don't include the item, same as you don't include the item at all, or with the profits plus. God damn it! Why did it highlight and block it? Currency is DPI equals. Okay, that one's actually hard to find sometimes. Am I doing Kickstart in 10 days? Maybe. No guarantees, depending on whether I have activities. Yeah. DP of I minus 1. C minus weight of I. What's weight of I? Or like take this, basically it's either the max between not taking the item or taking the item using the capacity. Okay, got it. Some initial conditions. When there's 0 capacity, obviously everything's gonna be 0. For 1, we're gonna be 1. Yeah. Saturday. Maybe awake, no guarantee. Probably have a lot of activities. How to find the selected items. Find the profit is bottom right corner. Let me think why. Because you used up all capacity and then you go through all items. Okay, now we have to find the items. Like what items do you... Let's go item, then we take the profits from the remaining items. This doesn't make sense. Why did 22 not come from Top's show? So. They're all 17. Okay, because 17 plus 16 is 33, so yeah. Somehow it must have included it. And subtract the profits, jump to 6 on the same row. If the number is the same, it's jumping. Jumping is actually kind of hard. Upstairs. Item. Profit. If the profits are different, well, I mean, came from there. Well, and the sum and the difference is right. Subtracting the profit B from 6 to get to profit 0. Then you jump to 0. How did you implement this in code though? Let's see. That's it. I don't want to read it. I want to focus on the part that's on backtracking. And select the element. The profits like starts from the right right bottom corner, and not equal to previous row. That means you have to include there's a reducing for loop. Base dot length -1. Not sure how many elements are there. Okay, it updates both, so we will traverse. Got it. Got it. Oh, got more friends today. It's funny when I was doing Flutter, there were like 1% in DP, which is the more popular topic, and there are more people here. It's cool. That's cool. Let's see a few more different patterns. I mean, I think it ran out. That's all free stuff, right? Oh well. Memoization, top to bottom, recursive calls from the biggest solution first, then eventually populates the array, then look it up in the array to see if it exists or hash map. Next would be tractable. Exponential times. Shortest, longest. Okay, extreme or clues, I guess. Cues for trying dynamic programming. Yourself and another algorithm are often much harder to prove correct. That's harder to prove correct, but they're not. Well, I guess that makes them more error prone. Oh, Simon did it. Well, my philosophy is to only use free resources so everyone can access it. Well, up to Wi-Fi. Well, go to Starbucks. A computer, but yeah. Yeah, all that shit. Like, I don't care about the steps. Animations array, in which direction it should be filled, okay. Not useful. Stack. That's what knapsack mean. Wait, what's full bar? I'll win. We'll go full bar. Secret hiding challenge. Eh. This is my invitation only. It's okay. List comprehension 30 times. Fine. Okay, let's go. In programming, what's the difference? I'm actually curious. Versus Divine Conquer versus Greedy. It just memoized the Divine Conquer result, right? Greedy, like, basically looks for every single solutions. Okay. That's a good stopping point. I think we can challenge ourselves with some more binary search dynamic programming tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Oh, that'll be the stream for today. Slightly chill. Just need to sort the top to bottom up memoization and tabulation. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.